Hello, my people. How na there? How na dey popori una sef? I don't come again. Africa Europe breeze don't come again with another igbedu, another shaky topic. We don't come again. You know, say na as the breeze and they come all the time. So na so we still dey talk am. So una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, wherever una dey. God bless you now. As you want party, una want follow me jolly this topic. So na keke na pay your bring one man, one big bro, your big guy. Budu come for my table talk more con jolly this matter. Now no says on a picking I no fit talk and real. Bros, how you dey? Hi, God bless you. You are welcome once again. So as the breeze bring you come so, it get one thing where the breeze say me you come follow me party. We want follow jolly this matter. We're going to be talking about this homeless children, disabled children, you know, for Africa general. So I want more talk about them, you understand me? So government have to be like say government though, you know, they remember them again, you understand me? So good more still show because you get one video one you watch one day, bro. Now make this breeze say I must talk this topic. The guy they disabled now, just you know, he need help, you know. So government need to work on that people like that when they disabled, when no fit do anything. So now all those one government concentrate on, not be people when they don't get motor, get right. At least these disabled people, they need assistance from government, assistance from people. Wait till you get to talk for this topic, this talk when the breeze carry you console for this show, brother. Drop your courage, drop on.
Anyway, thank you very much, my sister. This matter where you carry come, so it's a very nice topic to talk about. So some people they know the quick talk about this kind of topic, this kind of matter, and this matter in a very important matter in the society.
Yes.
Especially in Africa and Nigeria particularly.
Yeah.
Like those governors in Nigeria. Because I cannot talk about my state alone without talking about the others. Because the same thing applies. Because if I were to talk about my state alone, Edo State. So some of those things where government they take pass, they are very important. Those are part of development.
Yeah.
These handicapped people and the homeless people, government really need to sit down and rule out the plans for those people, make preparation for those people. Those people are part of the people where vote for them to be there. They also wish for the good governors to govern them, so that they will also have opportunity to do in the society. So these homeless people, the way to go about it, they need to provide shelter first and foremost for those people.
For them.
And why the handicap ones with the government not always to say how they want to help and give them money or so on and so forth, but they need to build infrastructure for them to be able to exhibit their
Thank
strength.
you very much. Like all these homeless disabled people, what you feel like, what you get for mind where be say government feel contribute into their life. You understand me? So like what you get anything where government feel contribute for their life, you go make them, you know, at least all of them they do beg and full everywhere. All of them they is somehow, you know, they have to change their life, change everything. So what you got to talk for this thing?
Like for the disabled, as you asked me, so for the disabled ones, when he need support, because I believe say any disabled person need a support more than the able ones. It's just that nobody need support, but sometimes we all know say the disabled need support much. So this thing,
like who's kind of
the support which
yeah.
government need to support those people, these disabled people, is it go build infrastructure,
okay,
like a place, company, a big place like company, when they will fit create job for them, or the office still learn the ones where e no get any hand work wey they want do, the office still come there like handicap center, job development for the handicaps. So they will fit come there, so they will fit learn one or two things. But because the who not get leg, at least he still get hand. The one will not get hand, at least some still get leg. Some they see for social media sometimes, some they use their leg till they construct things on their own. So imagine person wey be handicap if he construct something on his own. If he get support, imagine what he go fit do. So government need to still look into all those areas of those handicap. So when they will fit come there, so they will fit learn something, produce something will be said they will fit they do with like they see designers, they see styling, they see many things, anything that has to do with company. It will be at like a government, yes, it will be like a government organization company. Government will see get hand inside in terms of with the way the thing will they carry out as a selling, because government need to draw connection with the office the marketer. Why government would they pay them? So the income government would from there they generate income from there, and the office they contribute to the economy of the state, and government go office they pay them at the end of the month, and the office they leave
fine.
So all those things not be say this government need to go give them money now. Say money not go come out. Since in Africa they see say they difficult, so they say no money here and there. Some governors just to open a place for them, then go fit do something. They will fit learn something. Will be say handicap will fit learn. There's always job where handicap go fit still learn if you see give them the opportunities. So they need opportunities for the government. Government still have to create a place for those people in order for them to be part of the society that we are trying to build. All these
beggars here and there full everywhere. I think if government will work towards it, say okay, in one open company for them, at least they will be learning. Who don't learn, at least every month you get paid. You understand me? I think like there is a video I was watching some weeks back, before the breeze just carry say I must talk this topic. I must talk about some. There was a guy, you get one guy where they beg for streets. I just see whether they beg. I think there's a one Nigerian man that stop the guy, come they talk to Ran. That guy, he burned from head to toe. He born from this fire, I don't know what they call him. You understand me? And that guy, they beg, make for see money, take do surgery for body. How much you want beg? How much you fit say? How many beg you want fit beg for that Nigeria? Take God and say you want to do surgery for body. I think all those people is the government need to face all those people. At least face that guy, face people like that, work on them, help them for their surgery. Person when not born that way, at the end accident he get burned, the thing don't scatter his body. To find work it dey difficult, to eat is difficult. Who know how where they stay somehow. Government need to focus on all those people. You understand? So now make the breeze just bring this topic. Say I must talk about this topic. Then now make the breeze you come say more come jolly this matter together. You understand me? So now
you see, my sister, and this matter. Thank you very much. This matter where you talk so now very important matter. This homeless people, homeless children. Homeless, not be only children, there still be homeless adults. There are some females where they homeless. At least there are still some single mother parents where they lose their house.
No home.
House.
Some they sleep
when they not get where to go, they suffer.
They need
go.
where to put head.
So government need to look into all those things. If they not get the opportunity when they were growing up, maybe some of them for nothing become governor today. So they still need to know, say, if then they say they do well in that governor seat, they will know, say, there are still some in the street we would have be the future, we would have be able to fix that Nigeria in a proper way. We be say not get the opportunity, their talent just die, they go.
Yeah.
So people they lose a future Nigeria. So the thing where government need to do for all those kind of people, if government no need to go dey build house, to go dey make budget down before e go fit create shelter for those people. Those people, I dey see some government houses
property
where they go abandon. They'll start some project, they'll abandon. They call those kind houses abandoned projects. Which the
by government,
we first day before, don't come out, quick and finish, and the other governor enter, he start another project again, they abandon those ones. You see, say things they waste. All those kind of house where they abandon for years, we don't dey there. They need to figure out all those buildings. Then they'll fix them. They need to fix all those buildings, if not for any reason, at least for the reason of this homeless people we dey on the street. So those people, they still have a lot to contribute to the society. Those people where they homeless, now then they see the bad, the ugly, and the good for that outside where they go. And sometimes they'll come they get bad influence, they'll come see support. At the end of the day, things go where we don't want make it bad, where we don't want make it happen for the country. It go be like say the thing they multiply. Government, all those little things where government they take eye pass, all those things they help a lot in security to the society, in the society. These buildings, when they talk so, it not me say government need to go make a budget. I repeat again, it not me say me go make budget before you go start all those things. If they look around their states, especially that Edo state, if they look around Edo state, they'll see a lot of abandoned projects by past governors. We don't rule that state. So they need, if they really have the people well-being at heart, then they will fit know, say this things is not good. Those people need to leave the street. Like this, what my sister told just, and this one young boy.
I think you watched
fire
outbreak.
Yes, I watched also. Now fire outbreak. Happen. The guy not expect, because this modern days where we did, so nobody knows tomorrow. So the boy was okay, but that fire outbreak, it really affect the guy. He born now, not be small. And this guy now, he not fit do anything again. He never quick and learn work. He still growing, still very young guy. So now the guy they on the street, they beg along Uselu Express,
anywhere beg.
The guy they beg for that. He beg for the street. Express road, now they beg, so just not be saying one user money to do better thing, just make it stay eat for this one. A person will be say fire door burn already, he don't disfigure, and he need care, he need medical care for surgery to put in order. He not get now, he not know where go for see, and maybe the parents don't try their best for him, and they don't lose hope on
now. The work of government.
Now this guy this street they beg for a daily bread, he not know what to do, and see they take medicine for himself, they go, and all those ones now wetin government supposed to look into. If such person now can't go, they do bad thing now, they go say he they do bad, wetin cause am. May they not see they push the people, the masses who they're supposed to care for, to the war too much too, because nobody for this time will push too much to the war where you know where they know see the bad side of that person, they. So even the governors themselves, sometimes when they don't vote, they ain't finish. When something does they happen, sometimes they'll show their bad side. Everybody will shout, say this one are people where they vote in. That now the governor we even say they sit where they live where does they see they react bad reaction. So may they please find a way to take those people out of the street, so that all those people go see have a lot. If they think that those people not get what they want contribute, may they try them first. Some of them are intelligent, some of them just need a little support.
Talent,
At
everything.
least if they ask them what they really want to do with their lives, they will create a place for them where they will feel continue to learn work like every other person. So at the end of the day, everybody will live peacefully in a peaceful atmosphere.
Yeah.
So
apart from that, I say that they see this orphanage home, this here and there. All those ones is different. You understand me? All those orphanage, all those are private. You understand? But most CC waiting government. Just as you talk, just now say, open big factory.
Yes.
Big company.
Yes.
Just you see, things will change. All these street people, they'll pack go the way, not get what they do. All these orphanage people, all these
yes, if you go the
all of them.
If you go the land, and as I talk, say handicap, just I not me say now only those way you know get and way see they use one. Even cripples are see part of the journey. They are still part of the
anything like any people when you know disabled person
in that country too.
You know,
because some of them you can never tell now sense now waiting they move. Waiting they create good atmosphere. Now the brain waves he get not be mostly fit or so. People will get fit. They are there for the reason for the people when they disabled. So when you are able, you should know that your calling. You are able because you have a responsibility. The responsibility is supposed to be for those who are not able.
Yeah.
You are able for those who are not able to see them also, to cover that space for them also. That is how God make them to be. But because of this greed, where human become, especially African, how they talk so, it can't make the things can't go worse. In Western world where we see they talk, where we see they run, where Africa they run, they go at times. The Western world they build them, they create a place for all of them, so no one they lack. Even they get even their churches, even the way that they do themselves here. Government in that for example, now they get governor's house, like revenue board, like internal revenue board, like local governor,
something like that,
things like that. So they will create a office for one place for there, like local government office, or like a state office. They'll create an office for there that anybody where they do business like agriculture, whatever business you are doing, every year you go bring there's some percentage where they'll bring to the state. It no matter say they must go carry heaven and earth come. If now 1% of it they bring for what they do, the one where they say oil, if now 1 keg of oil now you go fit take contribute at the end of the year, it will bring a voluntary. If they will bring them for news, they'll pass them for news, pass all over the place so that who get help make it can render to that office. It will be government organization under government and under the government secretariat building, or whatever building of government you want to do them, but it will get one part of the office that anybody will get contribution to help the disabled, homeless people. May they come offer, they can register and there so that they'll feel they bring and come there.
Why that country not fit?
It will be very easy. I wonder why those governors, they don't even they talk about them. What did they talk about? Now how to share the money? Is either the APC they fight PDP, or PDP they fight this one, or the other one say me the other one. Now those ones will continue.
They don't know for themselves.
All those ones now
they will
do.
Look to
the whole tenure will finish.
May they all look to
us. May they create one thing, permanent thing. Permanent, not be so road. Now they go they construct. People who they pass through who they even pass the road. Now road they go they chop. Road maybe every 5 years. That is not my money. How much they construct road? It's not they reach anything. Money will take construct road, not they reach anything. So all those money, may they try to put all those things on one side. May they really create a good atmosphere for the citizens. So that is what I get.
So this thing will be all this for this homeless and
homeless people, and they're also motherless. Yes. They're also motherless children. They are also single mothers.
Yes.
They're also single mothers where they not even get where to stay. They'll come. Maybe all those one get 6 children. So if they get shelter, like all those uncompleted buildings where abandoned project with governors, they are abandoned. Now just spend a little money put. Everything
just
okay. If they not even have a safe say
for that
now
house,
only shelter they just give them.
Okay.
You don't need to go build mansion, skyscraper. he just need to, if now 1 room or one, depending how many children they
room
get.
is okay.
A 2 room is
Room
okay.
is okay
2
for
room
them.
is okay for
Yeah,
for
you
family.
build that like that.
So just build that like that, construct all those buildings, use and take format.
At
At the end
least
of the day, they will leave
less
a good legacy.
life. There will not be all these
there,
streets, sleeping the
from
streets
there, they
anymore.
don't build. It don't build something important in the heart of those people. Those people from there, they create a good a generation. So now waiting,
Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you very much. So this Africa Euro Breeze, I beg Mona share this message. Mona share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Africa Euro Breeze TV. No, audio. You understand? The live show is coming very soon. Very soon. Then follow me on my Facebook, Vanessa Breeze. Then follow me on Twitter, Vanessa Breeze. Then follow me on my Instagram, Africa Euro Breeze. So as we bubble reach now, so now here we hang and reach. The breeze will stop here. We not get anything to talk. So una shout Bella.